Many beginners start using Notion, but they often make a few small mistakes that make their workspace harder to manage. In this video, I'll show you 3 common beginner mistakes and simple ways to fix them. The first mistake is using Notion like a normal document editor. Beginners often type everything as plain text, just like they would in a regular document. Instead, I can turn items into Notion blocks. For example, I'll convert these tasks into a to-do list. From here, I'll finish organizing the rest of the page. Now you can see the final result, where the page is structured with proper sections and tasks. This makes the information much easier to read and manage. The second mistake is having too many random pages in the sidebar. When everything is scattered, it becomes harder to find what you're looking for. To fix this, I'll group related pages under main pages and organize them as subpages. Now you can see the final result. The pages are grouped neatly under their main sections, so related pages stay together and the sidebar looks much cleaner. This makes it much easier to find the page you need without scrolling through a long list of random pages. The third mistake is copying and pasting the same page structure every time. This can become repetitive when you need the same layout again and again. Instead, I'll create a button that generates the meeting notes structure automatically. Once the button is ready, I can simply click it to create the structure instantly. Now the same layout can be generated in seconds without rebuilding it each time. Notion is a powerful tool, but keeping your workspace simple and organized makes a big difference. By avoiding these beginner mistakes, your pages will be easier to manage and navigate. And as you continue using Notion, small improvements like these can make your workflow much smoother.